Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering down or switching to airplane mode. This prevents electrical shorts while you work. Once done, flip the phone so the SIM tray faces you. It's along the lower left edge. Insert the eject tool straight into the tiny hole. A firm, single push will free the tray. Make sure you're on a clean surface to avoid losing tiny parts. Prepare both nano SIMs or confirm one will be an eSIM so you can proceed to insertion immediately. Next, align each nano SIM with the tray's notches. The angled corner and metal contacts should face down, matching the tray outline. Insert the primary SIM into the SIM1 slot first because the phone prioritizes that slot for calls and data by default, then seat SIM2 in its slot. Once both sit flat, slide the tray back into the frame evenly, do not force it. If it resists, pull out and realign. A crooked tray can damage contacts or the casing. After reboot, open settings, the network and internet and tap SIMs to detect both cards. The phone will scan and register carriers. You can assign which SIM handles mobile data, voice, and SMS. Choose the primary SIM for your main number and set preferences for roaming. Make sure to enable both if you want simultaneous standby. If a SIM isn't detected, power off, reseat that SIM carefully, and try again. Alternatively, toggle airplane mode on, wait 10 seconds, then off to force a network rescan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.